Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power the device off and clear a clean, still air workspace because dust kills adhesion. Once done, wash your hands and wipe the protector with a microfiber cloth to remove oils. Make a small lift at one corner with your fingernail or thin pick, just 1 to 2 millimeters, so the protector stays attached but gives you access. This controlled lift prevents misalignment, keeps the adhesive edge stable, and readies you to extract particles without redoing the whole job. Now remove particles. Use an adhesive dust sticker or a short strip of 3M tape on a toothpick to gently dab and lift each speck. This picks up dust without touching adhesive broadly. If needed, give 1 or 2 short compressed air bursts at an angle to dislodge loose lint, making sure not to oversaturate with air or moisture. When clear, align the corner, then lower the protector slowly, while guiding with a card or squeegee to push air out toward the nearest edge so adhesion seats cleanly. Finish by running a microfiber-wrapped card firmly from center to edges to set the adhesive and remove remaining bubbles. If a stubborn bubble remains, warm the protector briefly with a hairdryer from 15-20 cm to soften adhesive, then press again. If you find a tiny speck after seating, lift just that section, use tape to remove the particle, and reapply carefully. Troubleshooting tip: if a scratch or large particle won't come out, replace the protector. Repeated lifts reduce adhesion and risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.